this one and call it top seller number 1. So I want you to go find your top seller, and I want the flow trigger. So this is the middle one here. Only include events that are, and it has to be items. So let's just pretend this is my top seller, right? So items that contain this. So when checkout starts, the item contains blah, 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 blah. So now because we're writing about coffee, I'm going to say, you forgot your wake up and grind. See how now we can tailor it to the actual product? And now we can do stuff like this. We know that we know what product it is because we've set it up like that. So we're going to say, all right, so see how I tailored the copy to the product, and like I made it, like I was able to put so much more copywriting in there because it was a specific product. How can you wake up in the morning without your wake up and grind? I'm going to put this. I'm going to put it there as well. Your wake up and grind. Oh, by the way, it's the smoothest, best, most incredible way to wake up in the morning. Oh, by the way, you left it in your car. It's probably because you were tired. That's okay. I put it aside for you. First name, complete your purchase now. Get your wake up and grind now. See how I can tailor it so much more to the product? Bang, put it aside. Okay, so I'm going to teach you a little trick here, guys, and I don't know if you know of it, but it's called glyph. So let me find it. Here we go. So I'm going to put this link in the bottom of this video, but you can go here and then scared face. We'll put some like scared. Fear. There we go. So you can click here, and this one is good for using on here. So we've got a pretty big thingy here. So it says it's running out of stock, right? Wow. That was fast. That just, I fucking hate when it does that. That just shows how good this coffee really is. We are nearly out of stock. Did you tell your friends about it? I'm probably going to put a cheeky little tongue in there. I'm going to put a cool face. Did you tell your friends about it? Anyways, I managed to keep a hold of your item for just a little while longer. Managed to keep a hold of your item for just a little while longer. You need to hurry as I can't. You need to hurry though, as I can't keep it aside. Let's not put that. Rich, smooth, delicious coffee awaits. You can see how I can tailor the copy so much more now. Right, let's do that. Okay, that's not the button. This is the button. Take this one here. I'm going to offer a discount in this one. And this, guys, is what we call the discount ladder. So I'm going to say, PS, I extended your discount. So PS, so now I'm going to do a PS, I found you. So PS, I managed to talk the boss into a 15% discount for a little while. But it won't last long. So make sure you use it. Easy. See that? Done. Now I'm actually going to go back and I'm going to show you how this one looks as well. So let's go to preview. I'm going to go to E2. So warning, wake up and grind is low on stock. Oh, some odd logo, wow. Might change that. It's because we didn't put a thingy. It probably wouldn't show that on the mobile phone, to be honest. But we can probably move that down to the bottom if that causes issues. But guys, always check. So in this case, I would put a pre-header at the top, which would kind of get rid of that. So it would go before that. But yeah. So warning, wake up and grind is low on stock. And then, wow, that was fast. This just shows how good this coffee really is. We're nearly out of stock. Did you tell your friends about it? Cool fast. Anyways, manage to keep a hold of your item for just a little while longer. Quickly teleport back to your cart and complete your purchase. Rich, smooth, and delicious coffee awaits. P.S. I managed to talk the boss into a 15% discount, but it won't last long, so make sure you use it. Bang. Now, that looks nice. I'm happy with that. I think I would purchase from that. You can do a pre-header as well, right above there, which would get rid of that hello logo, whatever the fuck it is. And one more. Urgent. Last chance, 20% discount. So here is definitely where I would do a pre-header. So I'm going to do this and go. This is your last chance. Oh, wake up and grind. Do that. And guys, I would actually do something a little bit more tricky here. I would put it down to like an 8. I would come to blog styles. I would get rid of that. And I would get rid of that. And then I would come up here. And I would get rid of that. And then I would do something even more tricky, and I would actually make this white. Well, that didn't work. White. Cheeky. See that? That's not going to be there. It's because it's like an outline thing. But this is your last chance. We only have a few Okay, so there's only a few. You are about to miss out on waking. I hate when it does that. To the best coffee in the world. So guys, I'm much typing shopping. There you go. Done. So that is how to create. Basically, guys, if you tailor your copy to the joys and the benefits and the outcomes and the fears of the product, because your product is always solving a certain solution. So if you are able to tailor the copy and tailor the sequence relevant to the product or the solution, you are gonna 3 to 4 times your actual like abandonment, flows and things like that. You'll get way more in return. So guys, that's that. The next one that I would do is what we call the browse abandonment flow. So guys, I'm gonna get into that one with you very shortly, and I'll see you in the next video.